morning, students. In previous class, what you learned? We learned about the some of the geometrical figures and some of the angles. Okay, complementary angles, supplementary angles, and then adjacent angles and vertically opposite angles. Okay, these are all the topics we learned in the previous class. Okay, in this class we shall solve the some of the exercise problems. Okay, some of the exercise problems which are given in your textbook. Okay, the first main is the find the complement of each of the following angles. Okay, the first one in this main, the first one is they give one angle. uh, the measurement of this angle is 20 degree. Okay, this measurement of this angle is 20 degree. Now we have to find out the complement angle for this angle. Okay, we know that what is the meaning of the complement angle. The complement angle means we already learned. Yeah, sum of two angles. Okay, sum of the two angles is 90 degree. Okay, sum of two angles, which means, yeah, now we have to find out the complement angle for this angle. Yeah, we know that complement means sum of two angles is 90 degree, which means we consider angle A and angle B are the two angles. Okay, it means angle A and angle B. Okay, we know that sum of two angles is 90 degree, so angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, this is the condition for complement angles. Okay, yeah, here we know the one of the angle, that is 20 degree. Yeah, we consider that this is a angle B. Okay, and now we have to find out the angle A. Okay, we have to find out the one of the angle. Yeah, and one of the angle is 20 degree. Okay, that is equal to 90 degree. Now angle A is equal to 90 degree. Yeah, here this is having a plus 20, this is a plus 20. When we are shifting this to the right side, okay, right side of the equals, it will becomes a minus, which means minus 20. Okay, now we have to subtract the 20 from 90. When we are subtracting 20 from 90, we get 70 degree. Okay, the complement angle for this angle is 70 degree. When we are adding 70 to the this angle, 70 degree to the this angle, yeah, it will becomes a complement. Okay, we find out the complement angle. Okay, the second one is the angle is like this. This is 87 degree. Okay, 87 degree. Okay, now we have to find out the complement angle for this angle. Okay, we know that how to find out the complement. Okay, we know that the condition for the complement angle is sum of the two angles is 90 degree. Okay, sum of the two angles is equal to the 90 degree, which means we have to find out the angle A plus here angle B is they given 87 degree. Okay, is equal to 90 degree. When we are shifting 87 to the right side of the equals, it will becomes a minus. Okay, now we have to subtract the 87 from 90. We get 3 degree. Okay, another angle is 3 degree. This is the complement angle for this angle. Okay, and third one. Okay, third one we have to just move to third one. That is the third one angle is like this. Okay, the measurement of the angle is the measurement of angle is 57 degree. Okay, the measurement of the angle is 57 degree. Now we have to find out the complement angle for this 57 degree. Okay, we know that the angle A, sum of the two angles is equal to the 90 degree. Okay, now the angle A plus the angle B is how much? They given 57 degree, that is equal to 90. Okay, now we have to find out the angle A, that is equal to 90 minus 57. Okay, it will, when we shift this to the right side, it will becomes a minus. Okay, then angle A is now we have to subtract the 57 from 90. Okay, so subtracting 57 from 90, we get 33 degree. Okay, this is a complement angle for the this angle. Okay, thus we find out the complement pair. Okay, complement pair of the given angle. Okay, next we move on to the second main. Okay, the second main from your textbook, that is this is the second main. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. Okay, now we have to find out the supplement angles for the given angles. Okay, the first one angle is like this. That is the first one angle. The measurement of the angle is 105 degree. Okay, 105 degree. Now we have to find out the supplementary angle. Okay, supplement angle for the this angle. Okay, we know that what is the condition for the supplement angle? The sum of two angles is 180 degree. Okay, if sum of the two angles is 90 degree, then we call it as a complementary angles. Okay, if sum of the two angles is 180 degree is equal to the 180 degree, then we call it as supplementary angles. Okay, which means the sum of the two angles is equal to the 180 degree. Okay, so supplementary means sum of the two angles, angle A and angle B is equal to how much? 180 degree. Okay, here we have a one of the angle 3 is 105 degree. Okay, which means we consider this as a angle B. Okay, plus 105 degree, that is equal to 180. Now yeah, now we have to shift this 105 to the right side, it will becomes a negative. Okay, angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree. Okay, now we have to subtract the 105 degree from 180 degree. We have to subtract the 105 degree from 180 degree. When we are subtracting 105 from 180 degree, we get 75. Okay, we get 75 degree. Okay, 75 degree is the supplement angle for 105 degree. Okay, next the second one. The second one figure is like this. Yeah, the measurement of the angle, this angle is 87 degree. Okay, here the measurement of this angle is 87 degree. Now we have to find out the supplement angle for this. Okay, we know that the condition for the supplementary angle, that is the sum of the two angles, angle A and angle B, is equal to the 180 degree. Okay, if these angles equal to 90 degree, then we call it as a complementary. Okay, here the condition for the supplementary angle is angle A plus angle B is equal to the 180 degree. Okay, this is a condition for supplementary angles. Okay, here angle, now we have to find out the angle A. Here the measurement of the angle B is 87. They given 87 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now we have to shift this 87 to the right side of the equals, so it will become say negative, it changes its sign. Okay, that is equal to 180 minus 87. Okay, here now we have to subtract the 87 from 180 degree. Okay, when we are subtracting the 87 from 180, we get 93 degree. Okay, 93 degree is the supplement angle for 87 degree. When we are adding these two, here we get 180. Okay, let's check. Okay, now we have to add 87 plus 93. When we are adding these two, we get 180. Okay, we are okay, yeah, 87 and 93. 7 plus 3 is 10. For 10 we have to write 0 and 1 is carry. Yeah, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay, 180. Okay, thus the both the angles. Okay, when we are adding these two angles, we get 180. The sum of these two angles is equal to the 180 degree. So these angles we call it as a supplementary angles. Okay, next the third one.